Careful, careful. Ayan na po. Alakad na sa pataas na daan. Exercise. Humihingal na ako. This is like a hills, no baby?
Oh no, it's just a slight slope.
Maulan na, maulan. Yan, sinuot ko na po. Kasi muulan. Ito po ang ito naman Scotland, Edinburgh. Mga souvenirs.
Sorry.
Ganda po oh. Ito po ang Edinburgh. Edinburgh, Scotland. No?
See, this is the capital of Scotland, baby.
This is the capital of Scotland.
See.
Edinburgh City. Pataas ng pataas ng pataas. Tignan mo mga Chinese, so kahit saan nagmo-model din sila. Baby, I'm hungry.
I know you are. But we need to go up this hill. Told you.